So finally the day has come and we finally got our first hands on to the latest Galaxy Z Flip 5 from Samsung. So you know what? This is the only video you need to watch to know what's new in the Z Flip 5. So let's dive deep into it. This is what the new Z Flip looked like. And I know you know that Z Flip 5 is the one bringing kind of a major change. But wait till I get to the Z Fold 5 on my next video because there are some underrated new things there too. So this is the new Z Flip 5 and the big change here is 3.4-inch cover screen with Samsung is calling the Flex window. Now the screen is obviously the bigger upgrade even though it does not have the crazy specs of some of his competitors. I mean, comparison to the Z Fold 4 is a big upgrade. It's way bigger and lacks a lot of new features. You can see the notifications with the right swipe. Check out the quick settings from the top. Open up Samsung Pay from the bottom and the right has a lot of widgets, which obviously are more functional and look better on this bigger screen. I also like the scrolling gestures. See all the widgets at once and go to the one you want to quickly. Kind of like multitasking on the screen. They also have tons of cool wallpapers for the screen and I like it. All the new wallpapers show you some info and shortcuts and customize each and every wallpaper. The biggest screen also shows you a better camera preview now and you get all the controls between photo mode or video mode. Now this screen is nice and you can do things like adding a number with a full-fledged dialer, replying to text from the screen with a full QWERTY keyboard. But one thing missing is the ability to run dedicated apps on the cover screen, which is a trick Samsung might have built. But I want to know from you, are dedicated apps on the cover screen useful or a bit of an overkill? Apart from the screen, the Z Flip 5 is slimmer. This is 15.1 millimeters take when folded well. The Z Flip 4 was 17.1 millimeters. There's also new hinge design which felt more solid in my brief usage, but more important, the Flip now folds without any gap. This is how it folds now. This should be better for long-term durability. To give you a better idea, this is the Flip 5 versus the Flip 4 when folded and you can see the difference. If you want to know about the crease, I did not feel a big difference, but I think I'll get a better idea when I'll play with the device for a long term. When it comes to the specs, there's not a lot of change. You get the ARM aluminum frame, the same IPX8 water resistance rating, the same LTPO of 120Hz main display, the same 3700 mAh battery, and the same 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera setup. Now Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy brings the performance upgrade and Samsung says it also results in improved camera processing. On the software front, it has the new One UI 5.11 update based on Android 13 and the Z Flip 5 also comes in this new mint color along with black, white, and lavender, and I think it looks nice. Overall, Samsung has made foldable mainstream, there's no doubt about that. And this Flip 5 just make what's already very good. And I know the upgrades seem to be about to find the foldable design beat with a new hinge or the new bigger display on the Flip. Now I'm just hoping we don't see a price jump in these phones anyway. So stay tuned to the channel for more Galaxy foldable updates. And if you have any questions, then comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.